Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is MariiiBajariii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing another color series. As you guys can tell by the title and as you guys can tell by this makeup look, today's color is yellow. So I will be giving you guys a tutorial on this makeup look right here. I am very obsessed on how this makeup look came out. So I'm doing like a glossy lid, but obviously the color focus is yellow. So yeah, if you guys are interested to see how I got this makeup look right here, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Okay guys, so I started off with my base already just because the main focus is kind of like the eyes and usually the same foundation routine. So we're gonna go straight into the eye look. So today's color, we are doing yellow, and I honestly saw this look on my Instagram. I'll show you who it is right now, and I automatically fell in love. I just love the way she like did a yellow look but made it like spice it up with like a glossy lid. So this is by Ragged Royal. I'll have her picture right here. She looks so freaking bomb and I had to recreate it. So this is the look that I'm inspired by. Probably gonna get something somewhat like this, but hers is really good, so we'll see how I can do it. My little twist or something. Also, if you hear some birds chirping, my window's open. It's pretty hot today, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. So for the base of my lid, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild paint palette and take this yellow just so that the yellow could be more intense, because sometimes yellows are hard to like show up, especially when you start blending it out. So what brush am I gonna use? So I think I'm actually just gonna use my finger. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the yellow on my finger and pretty much just place that yellow all over the lid. For this look, you honestly don't really have to be precise at all because it's gonna be like a blended yellow eye look. And this yellow is lighter than my eyeshadow, but it's gonna help the eyeshadow latch on better. I've seen people use like liquid lipsticks and stuff to make a more intense eyeshadow, but I don't really have a yellow liquid lipstick, so that's why I'm using this paint pot or paint palette. Yeah, that's gonna be it for the paint for now. We're gonna put that to the side, and now I'm gonna go in with my Take Me to Brazil eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this yellow shade right here using a Luxie 239 brush, and I'm pretty much just going to pack the yellow all over. Yeah, so this yellow is definitely darker than the paint from the palette, but it's latching on great and it's making it more pigmented. Honestly, just put this shadow all over. Okay, now I'm going to go into a Morphe blending brush, the number rubbed off, but any blending brush is good. And just take some more of that yellow shade and blend it with this brush. And I'm kind of going out at the outer end as well. I love like a smoked out eyeshadow look onto the side out here. So now that we have the yellow shade all over the lid, I'm going to go into a black liquid liner, and this is the NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm not going to do a wing or anything, just line my lash line. Okay, so before we go in with like the glossy lid part, I want to go in with some lashes first, because I just feel like it'll be easier, because if I put the gloss first, then it might stick to the lashes. So we're just gonna do the lashes first. So before I go in with my lashes, I'm gonna take some Benefit They're Real mascara and apply that to the lashes. And the lashes I will be using today are by Sweet Dream Lashes, and this is the style Barbie, but I believe the new name is Dreamy. It's still the same lash, but yeah, so I'm going in with Sweet Dream Lashes. Okay, so now that we have the lashes on, they are freaking dramatic, but I love it. So I'm going to go in with some more of the yellow and drag it down to the lower lash line. And then I'm just going to pack it and then blend back and forth. Usually I would use a pencil brush, but I'm just going to go in with the same flattened brush I was using earlier. Okay, I look pretty like pale right now because I have no bronzer or blush or anything on, so it's gonna come together. Just wait, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the gloss part. I think she just used a clear gloss, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into this Wunderlust clear gloss and just put it on my finger and then put it onto the eyelid. Oh yeah. And she really focused it like in this area right here to give it that nice shine. Oh, it looks so good. All right, that looks so good. Okay, can't wait to put some bronzer and blush and everything on to bring this face back to life. But now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Milk Liner and apply that to my waterline. This is really gonna make the eyes pop. Oh my god, I look crazy right now. I'm gonna go back into my Benefit They're Real mascara. Alright guys, so I have a very doll vibe look going on, but I'm not hating it. I'm loving the glossy lid. So now I'm gonna move on to the face and finish up this look. So to bronze, I'm going in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. I feel like this is what's gonna really bring my face back to life. I need some color. I'm looking very pale right now. Now for blush, I'm going into my Morphe Pop of Coral blush kit, and I'm just going to be taking the shade Boss. I love a really blushy look, so I kind of just go ham, put it everywhere. Alright, so before I move on to highlight, I like to highlight under my eyes. So I'm going into the Dragun Beauty Transformation Face Powder, and I just like to mix these two and pretty much use those to brighten up under my eyes. And now for highlight, I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill Loose Balm Highlighter using a Morphe M510. And for today's look, I kind of want to look extra glowy, so I'm going to put a little more than usual. Okay, so I want like a bright inner corner, so I'm going to go back into the Take Me to Brazil palette and take this white shimmery shade right here using a Morphe M515 brush and just pack that in the inner corner of the eyes. And then now to set the brows, I'm going in with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. You guys see how much better and like more to life my face looks with the blush and bronzer? I'm obsessed. Alright, so now I'm going to line my lips using my LA Girl Bare Lip Liner. And then, I don't know if I want a glossy lip or a matte lip. Maybe I'll put gloss. So I'm going to go back in with that clear gloss and just put a little bit on the center. I think that's good. And then lastly, I'm going to set my face using my Pixi Glow Mist. Alright you guys, so this is a completed yellow makeup look. I had to throw on a cute little yellow outfit to match the whole vibe going on. I am very obsessed with this glossy eye look and inspired by Ragged Royal. Of course, I'll have her Instagram linked down below. Always gotta give credit where it's due. But I love this look because I was so excited to do yellow and I'm obsessed. At first I was a little iffy because it looked weird with like the white eyeliner. I felt like I looked too much doll-like, but now that the whole look is complete, it came out pretty good. So let me know what you guys think. So yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what color you would like to see next in my color series. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also mine and Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. The link will be down below. Stay blooming and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.